Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. We're here for another book review for crafting and junk journaling. And I'm here to share with you the insides of the books so that maybe you want to look for this book and you didn't know what the inside looked like. Or maybe you're doing a journal and you're trying to find some pages and maybe you don't live near a thrift store where you can get out and look for some great vintage books. So maybe your only choice is to looking online, but most of the time you can see it. So I am here to share with you some of these. Okay, so we have the Magician's Counting book. It's a Rand McNally Storytime book. Here's the spine. Here is the back of the book. And let's get a measurement. It is 10 1/4 by 7 3/4. So let's take a look. Beautiful, beautiful end papers here. Nice thick paper, as the Rand McNally usually is. Okay, so this is 1973. By Helen Frances Stanley. So these are beautiful vintage. I just love vintage children's faces. I love this book. Also, it is in signatures, so it can be, so just like a golden book, you could, if you can see that, you can actually just pull on this spine and it will tear apart and you will be able to use all these pages as a whole page in your journal. No cutting or folding, depending on your size of your journal, but you wouldn't have to do that because these are sewn in and you can use the entire page. Look at those. I just love that. I mean, this would be great in an Easter journal. Look at this. Beautiful doves. I just love the graphics. Here's some cards. Wouldn't this be great in Alice in Wonderland? Because Alice in Wonderland is, known for its cards. Some magician. Look at that. Some balloons. And the big lettering. Some flowers. This is just so super. I love this book. And then the end page of those again. Like I said, see, this one's already coming apart. So you can see how you can take the entire thing. It's all one whole signature in there. I can get up there and zoom it in here. Zoom. I don't know if you can see it or not. There we go, a little bit. So it's all one huge signature, and so you could easily just take this book apart. This would make a great journal cover, glue book cover. So yeah, it would be a fantastic crafting book for whatever you would like. All right, the Magician's Counting book. All right, thank you so much for watching. And hopefully you're having some fun seeing the insides of these books, and maybe it's something that you want to search for. All right, thank you so much. Okay, bye.